What type of information is provided to the airline in the OSI message?
Information about the passenger, additional information about the passenger, and additional information about the passenger. Passenger is VIP or child is traveling.
Right. What type of information is provided to the airline in the SSR message?
In the SSR message, additional information about the passenger is provided. In additional information about the passenger is traveling, and message request for the passenger that passenger is that the specific services and the about the eating.
Right. How is the general mark element used in Amadeus?
For the travel booking.
Wrong. What kind of information is stored in general remark element?
About the travel booking.
Right. If you want to enter any information related to travel booking, what command will you have to give for that?
Repeat.
If you want to enter any information related to travel booking, what command will you have to give for that?
First of all, we have to enter the transaction code RM, then enter the message, important information that we want to enter.
Right. If you have to write any passenger related information for the airline in PNR OSI element, what command do you have to give for that?
First of all, enter the transaction code OS, then enter the airline code, then enter the space. After giving the space, enter the new message.
Right. If you have to inform the airline that a 9 years old child is traveling alone, what command do you have to give for that?
First of all, enter the transaction code and followed by SSR code, UMNR code for the child is traveling alone, then enter the hyphen and then enter the child age.
Right. If you have to provide information about passenger specific request for the airline in PNR SSR element, what command do you have to give for that?
First of all, enter the transaction code SR, then enter the 4-letter code of SSR.
Right. What is the purpose of adding OSI element in the PNR?
Repeat.
What is the purpose of adding OSI element in the PNR?
The purpose of OSI element adding is in the PRR is the to inform the airline that passenger is very important person or child is traveling alone.
Wrong. By whom is the information given in OSI element used?
Airline.
Right. By whom is the information given in general remark used?
Booking agent.
Right. What is the general remark element used mostly for?
Mostly for booking car and hotel booking.
Right. How many characters can travel booking information contain?
Maximum 124 characters.
Right. To whom are the special treatment airline offered?
For the person who is VIP, very important person, and for the child that who is traveling alone.
Right.